Hey guys, it's Undead Enemy from uklocksport.co.uk. I got a new master lock in the post this morning. I've not had time to pick it yet, but that's what I'm going to do just now. The lock is the Elite Series M515DLH. It's a laminated padlock with a extreme weather resistant coating. It's a 4-pin, so a single pin pick it and see how it goes. There we go. Attention to when it's flying. Find out later. Yeah, and that's it. I wouldn't really say it's a security rating 9, but oh well. That's Undead Enemy at uklocksport.co.uk. Come and join us, it's free to sign up. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.